Case Law on Indian Evidence Act. Khurshid Ahmed vs. State of Jammu and Kashmir 2018. While analyzing the evidence on record, the court should not adopt the hyper-technical approach. The court should not reject the evidence on a minor contradiction. Kameswar Singh vs. State of Bihar 2018. The maxim falso in uno, falsus in omnibus is not applicable in India. It is a duty of the court to separate the grain from the chaff. It is a duty of the court to find the truth. Minor contradiction and omission in the evidence are to be ignored if there is a ring of truth and testimony witness. Mahendran vs. State of Tamil Nadu 2019. Supreme Court retarded the well-settled principle of maxim falsus in uno and falsus in omnibus. It has no application in India. Court held that if the testimony of the witness is found to unreliable in respect of the part of the statement, that other part of the statement cannot be made of the basis of conviction of the accused. Pushpandevi M. Jatia vs. M. L. Wadhavan, AIR 1987. Evidence obtained through the undesirable means can also be taken into consideration proved in the relevant. Abdul Razak vs. State 1969. Discovery the fact with the help of tracking doctors as scientific evidence. Kudna vs. State of Odisha 2018. Expression proved, disproved, not proved lays down the standard of proof, namely about the existence or non-existence and circumstances from the point of view of a prudent man, and also so that while adopting the set requirement, the appropriate concrete standard to the measure of proof, full effect has to be given in the circumstantial conditions of the probability and improbability. Municipal Corporation, Delhi vs. Jagannath Ashok Kumar. Arbitration has followed the principle of natural justice, but they are not bound by the law of evidence. Ganesh K. Golf vs. State of Maharashtra 2002. Evidence is required to be appreciated to be find out what part of it represented to be true and correct state of thing. It is function of separating grain from the chaff. Ashish Batham vs. State of UP 2002. In civil cases, matter is said to be proved when the balance of probability suggests it, but in the criminal cases, court had required to prove beyond reasonable doubt. Rani vs. State of Maharashtra 1998. Evidence obtained in the investigation or other crime can also be constituted good evidence in any other cases, provided it is relevant. Brain vs. White, Raven and Furnace Jackson 1850. Law of evidence is a lex 40 which govern the court.